Hello, good morning, friends. Myself, Richa. So, today in Richa's Biology Quick Course, I wanted to talk about recombination repair mechanism. So, here it is recombination repair mechanism. So, in this recombination repair mechanism, you can see here it could be of two types. One is non-homologous end joining recombination repair mechanism, that is NHEJ, HEJ, or it could be homologous recombination mechanism. So there are two types of recombination mechanisms. One is non-homologous end joining and another one is homologous recombination mechanism. So in this topic today, I'm going to talk about non-homologous end joining. So let's see. So how it occurs basically, now comes this part. Ionizing radiation comes. Okay, so or some chemicals that will lead to the damage DNA by introducing breaks here. You can see here the double strand break occurs here. So how this double strand break occurs, you can see with the help of this ionizing radiation. So this double strand break occurs. So now how our body will repair this double strand break? Either it could be non-homologous or either it could be homologous, right? So in this non-homologous end joining, you can see here the bases are lost at the ends here, and these are subsequently ligated together here. You can see here with the help of Ku heterodimer and DNA ligase 4. These are the two proteins which are involved here along with XRCC4 complex. So this is important. So basically, first of all, how this double strand breaks, basically it's a particularly dangerous form of DNA damage, right? You can see here both the strands are missing here, right? So why it is the dangerous form of DNA damage? Because it interrupts the continuity of the DNA molecule, right? So it's very important to repair this double strand break. So there are two mechanisms. One is NHEJ, one is homologous one. That I will let you know further in another topic. So today I'm going to talk about NHEJ. So it occurs in non-dividing cells basically, and it is much faster than homologous one. And it is error prone. That is the disadvantage here. If you compare this NHEJ mechanism with homologous recombination repair, so NHEJ is more error prone. Okay, and you can see, so basically this NHEJ, you can remember, it's a crucial DNA repair pathway. This you can remember, like it repairs double strand breaks, right, by directly ligating the broken ends. You can see here the broken ends are getting ligated without the need for a homologous template. So it involves various Cre proteins. So in CSO exam, they mostly ask about the Cre proteins here, which are involved in NHEJ mechanism. So you have to remember this Ku heterodimer and DNA ligase 4 along with XRCC4 is important. And these three things you have to remember. So that's it. This is all about NHEJ mechanism. So thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe it now. Pass it on to your friends. This is my link of the channel. So you can pass it to your friends and families who are going to prepare for this CSR NET exam. Thank you. Hope you have a nice day. Thanks.